Hi, teacher.
Okay, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you today?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so for today, we have here, okay, we will gonna have developmental or developing 15. So let us talk here about house. Okay. Can you see this, Tono?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Okay, so we have,
Oh,
are we done with this, right?
yes.
Yeah. With me, huh? I remember the living room. With me.
Thank you.
Naku, Lord. Humot na humot dito sa SharePoint. Ay, ginako, Lord. Go, go, go. Kadamong na di. Uy, Julius. Damong na di. Ayaw pa kang kinahimda. Sila na nabi. May opera na pala, ma. Dito na patong diri, ma. Nagmula sa Japan eh. Diri patong na dito na. Tama po ka na yung basta. Okay. So we have here our topic is describing people. Okay, we're gonna describe people. Okay. So can you hear me? Ano? Yes, be
Yes.
able to describe people by using different adjectives. We have here. So we have young, oh, you know this, old, middle ages, okay, in her 20s or in his 20s, knee-high to grasshopper, no spring chicken, over the hill, ripe old age.
Teacher, why me copy this?
Hmm?
Why me copy this?
You will copy?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Wait me, ha. Okay. Okay, that one. You tell me if you're done.
Okay. Okay, teacher.
Okay, so we have thin. Thin is slim. Well built. This is the shape. We are talking now about shape. Okay. So muscular. Okay, has muscle. Fat. Overweight. Obese. Stocky. Stout. And fit. And frail. Okay, frail. Okay. So please copy the words.
Okay.
Ay, Tapos nabibig ko lang sa gabi eh. Kuning alas na binan na to. Gawa na mga wala wala. Ang mga din eh. Yung muli mo sa alas 12 pagtanong ako di alas 12 naman. Awa lagi ton. Awa di na pirban. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we have tall. Now we are talking height. O height ha? Tall, tallish, short, shortish, of medium or average height. So it means average, not tall, not short. It's only average. Okay, go.
Okay. Kéo mô phi mốt. Okay, teacher.
Okay. So now we are done with shape and height. Let us have the hair. Oh, color of the hair. We have blonde. Okay. Dyed. Ginger. Okay, ginger. I don't know. It's like color red, nearly red. Straight. Okay. Curly. Bald. You know bald? It doesn't have hair. With
Yes.
plaits and ponytail. You're doing ponytail. Like when I say I'm going to have
Yes.
ponytail like that. Okay, ponytail. You
I
tie your hair at the back. That's ponytail.
I usually make ponytail
Okay, yeah,
when
I see you. You're always making ponytail.
yes. Okay, teacher.
Okay, next we have oval, the face. What's the shape of your face? It's oval, round, square like that, triangle, and long. Okay, so we're
I
gonna
have
have,
oval face.
teacher also has oval face.
Yeah.
Okay, so go. Copy. This is about face, huh? We're talking about face.
Yes. Okay, teacher.
Okay, so we have here the general descriptions. Oh, handsome. Oh, manly, it means you are a man. You are truly a man. You're a boy. Beautiful for a girl. Pretty. So it doesn't mean you're not beautiful. You're not pretty anymore. Sometimes there are girls who are pretty, although they're not beautiful. They're very attractive. Okay. Stunning, attractive, gorgeous. They seem like pretty and beautiful. Good looking, it's for guy. Okay. When you say, oh, my dad is good looking. Okay, plain, ugly, and hot. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Please copy this general description when you describe a man or a woman.
Okay. Okay, teacher.
Okay, so this one, let us hear the video. Okay, listen. Tono.
Could you describe your parents for me?
My dad is like this tall. He has already white hair, big ears, and is very handsome. And my mom is a little smaller than me, and she has black straight hair and is very beautiful. And has big blue eyes.
Could you tell me what one of your brothers looks like?
Looks like me a little bit. The other one looks more like my mother.
Could you describe them a little bit? Their hair, their eyes?
They both have black hair and brown eyes, just like me.
Now, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother.
So is he a handsome guy?
I would think so, yes. I think he's very handsome, but he's my brother, so.
And how about your sisters? Are they pretty?
I say they're pretty.
So can you hear that? So how many people
Yes.
describe their family?
I see 3.
Mm. Okay. Please try to read the script, and after, if you don't read it, tell me, teacher, I'm done. Okay?
Okay.
First, we have Jessica here and Martin. They're asked by the host.
Okay. Teacher. Okay, teacher.
And this one, the host is asking Angelique about her older brother. Angelique, the one with eyeglasses. Okay, done?
Okay, yes.
Okay, so we have here again first, first we have Jessica and Martin. Jessica was being asked about her dad, and Martin about his mother. And then next is Angelique about her brother. Okay, so we have here the task. So we have questions. Please write your answer in the
Okay.
Okay, so did you remember this one? Oh, you please write your answer in the chat box.
Okay. May I go add teacher? Fitness teacher.
Okay, so we have here. Now, let me see your answer, Tono. Haha. Okay. So what are the interviewer What are the interviewer talking about? They are talking about what is this? Decide people?
Yes.
What is decide?
Mm, wait.
Ah, yeah. Okay, Tona, I will just go to the bathroom, ha? Wait me. Teacher will go to the bathroom, wait me. Tona?
Yes.
Okay, so how does Jessica's mother look like? Oh, she is smaller, spelling of smaller. Okay, smaller. She is smaller than me. Oh, has a black hair and she's very pretty with her blue eyes. Oh, very good. Okay. Do Martin's brothers look like him? Yes, a little bit. Does Angelique have any siblings? Hey, yes, correct. How does she or he looks like? Her brother is handsome and her sister looks pretty. Okay, very good, Tono. Yay. Okay, next one. Okay, teacher will ask. Okay, open your, don't mute your video. I mean your camera. Okay, please describe the people in each picture. Please describe the people in each picture. Please describe the people in each picture. Can you please describe, Tono? Sama anak man nagtambay sa ilalim.
Okay, finish, teacher.
Wait. Okay, so here, do not just speak up. Please describe the people in each picture. Okay, please speak up.
The girl is very beautiful with her clothes and her tone, I think, is she has a ponytail and she had a blonde hair.
She has a blonde hair. How about the boy?
A boy, I think, is very handsome and he has a swell face and he very handsome with his clothes and his blue eyes.
Okay. Now, describe the people in this picture. Can you please describe the people in this picture?
I see a woman with a pink clothes is is very smart and he has a big blue eyes. I see she is beautiful and has her blonde hair.
Okay.
And
So, next one.
okay,
Answer. Do you look more like your mother, Tono, or more of your father?
I look more like my father and my mother. I look
It looks like more your mother? Oh, really?
yes, because my
why?
mom was young like me.
Okay.
Mm,
Do you have any brother or sister?
Yes, I have younger sister. She's short and had a straight hair and she very cute.
Okay.
Yes.
Who is the breadwinner in your family? Who is the breadwinner in your family? The breadwinner in your family?
Is my father.
Okay, your father. Okay. Describe your family members in 7 to 8 sentences. Please describe your family members in 7 to 8 sentences.
A Finnish teacher. A Finnish teacher.
Okay. Winter white, flood, black flecked, time worn, friendly. Okay. We have children, little, young, tender, fresh, cute, and lovely. Look at the picture. Okay. So, where is your family? Can you please describe your family for me? Just a short description about your family.
Okay, my mom is, I think my mom is very beautiful with her short brown hair and big eyes. I very like my mom had wear beautiful clothes. Oh, look, look is very pretty. My father is tall, thin, and a bum, and I think he is good looking. And I think he has a little handsome. My young, my younger sister is very cute with her with short hair and her big eyes. And she has the black hair strand, and I very love her hair.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, your mother has a black hair?
Yes.
How about your dad? Because you have
My,
black hair.
yes, my dad has black hair. My mom have black hair but has a little brown.
As a little brown. Okay, very good. Thank you. So we have here the grandparents. Look at them. Hey, so they're friendly and look at these children. So cute, so lovely, fresh face, and young. Okay. Now, Tono, oh, sorry, we don't have enough time for now. Teacher N will see you tomorrow. What time? 5 p.m. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you, Tono. Bye-bye. God
Goodbye,
bless.
teacher.
Okay. We're gonna see you tomorrow. Okay. Bye-bye. Good night, Tono.
Goodbye, teacher.